Ciao, Andrew.
Hello, Andrew.
Andrew, try this whole hand. Mommy, whole hand, Andrew. Okay, Andrew, hold right here.
Slow, bro. Sail.
Come on. Daddy Paul, come on. See?
It's so freaking hot. Look way.
Where do you guys want to go?
To the bridge.
Oh, the lake.
To the lake?
The lake, eh? Yeah, once you go out like it, but you have to like pull it out. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you practice a lot. Like you're right there. That's good for class. I saw a video where the guy was like checking to see his safety class. We're supposed to be this Wednesday, but that whole office is closed. Yeah. I don't know why they closed the whole office.
Hey, baby. Hey, Abby. Hey, Emma.
Henry, walk, Henry. Titus. Titus. Why? No climbing, okay? What? Whoa, what is this? You see frog? You see a frog?
Right, so the face mask right there.
That blue
Bye. Go. Go, go, go. Ôi, giờ bên yên kìa. Cứ ăn rồi kinh sắp lại. Ha, I come here. Harvey too. Yeah, Harvey, come here. Oh, Harvey, get in here. Hi, Abby.
So pretty. Andrew and Harry so cute.